Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Lightyear 2010 back here with another video, and today we are going to play a solo. So let's go ahead and do it. Oh my gosh! Great balls of fire! So. Let's do blue. Oh, I love this map. I love it when there's only 4 people in the game. Oh god! Hey!
At my brother Lightyear 2010.
It's my brother's birthday soon and I just died. Wow. Your birthday's bad luck, bro!
Don't.
I already bought him some good stuff for his birthday, didn't I?
Yeah.
Oh god! I know how to save you!
Is Locke playing that game?
No, Lockie's not playing.
Oh. You should make a Brick Bronze video next.
A Brick Bronze video?
Yeah, like DanTDM.
Oh yeah, like DanTDM. I love DanTDM. We'll be both do.
Can you get Charizard?
Oh, yep.
Charizard's one of my favourite Pokemon, guys. My type is the best.
What I got him for his birthday, which he already knows because I gave it to him today because he found it out when we both went down to the plaza together. I bought him glasses and a Deadpool pop figure. Wait, is that Locke, I think? I think it's the iPhone. I think Locke's the iPhone. I know he has that. Oh, it's John Wick, Keanu Reeves!
Oh.
It's Keanu Reeves! It's Keanu Reeves.
From Fortnite.
No, Keanu Reeves is, yes, he is from Fortnite. But John Wick was a movie before Fortnite came out. Hey, oh golly gosh, great balls of fire. Oh gosh. Oh god. Great balls of fire. Oh, Top Gun's great, honestly.
You're the best player in the world.
Oh yeah, right. Oh, Keanu Reeves, time to get revenge.
No.
Keanu Reeves killed me. Keanu Reeves killed me.
He shot you with a pistol.
Yeah. What? Oh gosh, that hurt.
Bro, do you mind if I have the
No.
one?
Oh yeah, sure. Wait. Do you want to play for now? I'll be back in a sec. I'm leaving you with him. I want to see how he goes on the replay. W is to record. And right click is to shoot.
Hey guys, I don't really like to talk on phone, so I really want to talk to you guys. So, who likes guys? Who likes everything? Link in the description down below, and if you don't,
What'd you do?
just
You what, mate? You what, mate? You what, mate?
I told you, I don't know how to play the game. Sorry, guys.
Hey, go get your account and then come play with me. Oh, you got a pretty good gun there. Oh, when the Saints go marching in, Keanu Reeves is killing me. Hey. Bruh. Oh, when the Saints go marching in. Reeves! I'm killed by Keanu Reeves! I should call him John Wick. There he is, John Wick. Please, I want to kill John Wick. I killed John Wick! Lag! Oh, come on. Lag! The game lagged.
Oh my god.
The game lagged out.
I know what game you should play.
I'm going to play some Murder Mystery too.
Whoa. That's exactly what I was going to say.
Exactly. I think my game's glitched.
Correct.
My game's glitched. I should restart Roblox. Come on.
You mean Roblox, yeah.
Whatever. Roblox here.
Yeah.
I need to restart Roblox here. I think Deck wants me to play Get Crushed by a Speedy Wall. Not now, Deck.
Lynn.
Okay. I call him Deck Jolcom. Honestly, why are you so bad with nicknames?
Laggio.
Laggio. Just guys, it's not Ligio, it's Ligio, and not Ligio 2010, it's Ligio 2010. And if you wanna chat with me, then you should probably watch the Good Game Spawn Point streams. I watch all of them.
And also friend him.
Wow. Cool, yeah.
Roblox.
This is what I look like in Roblox.
See ya.
Call it Roblox, that's a game! Hey, if you guys didn't know, there's a secret spot in Murder Mystery. Come on, how do I get in there? There used to be a way you can get in there. Oh, is it because my head's so big?
Probably.
Ah, gosh. Such a big head. Come on, be the murderer. It's not gonna happen. Oh shit, I'm the sheriff!
That's pretty good.
When you guys see I'm trash at Murder Mystery, sheriff first thing, that's... I don't trust you. Kid, I don't trust you, I'm sorry. Oh. Where was that? I don't trust this girl. Oh, I nearly shot her. Honestly, I nearly shot her.
She was the murderer.
Yes. Let's spectate. Oh my god. Where's the murderer? Oh, it wasn't even her. I killed her. By accident. I'm so sorry. If I had Robux, I would give it to you. I'm sorry. Ready?
We spent all our Robux.
Oh my gosh, yeah. I'm so sorry. Aww. Okay, let's keep going. Sorry, XD. Now, do you guys want me to spectate? Let's spectate.
No, don't.
I'm gonna spectate anyway.
You wanna get
murder? The sheriff first time was great. Oh, where's the sheriff?
You're not the sheriff.
I mean, where's the murderer? Has the sheriff weapon been picked up yet? Just kill that dude, honestly. He's not waking up. Oh gosh, the murderer's victory! I love dancing to this though, so... That's me! That's me! That's me! Dun dun. Hospital! Actually, police station, because that's where crime take. Yeah, it's gonna be here. Or it could be the sheriff place. Yeah, it's this place. Please! For the sake of it!
You can see his name on called Ligio 2010.
Hey, it's me, Elijah. We are innocent. Don't do that.
Sorry.
It's annoying.
Why isn't there a secret spot
I don't know.
in this one?
Oh, let's have some drinks. Where's the donut? This is the police place.
Where's
Police.
the donut?
I need a donut.
Donut is great for you.
Maybe I can be the sheriff. I don't know. I mean, the hero. Whatever. Please kill the sheriff, murderer. I don't trust all of you, any of you. For some reason, I feel like it's that girl. Oh, no, that's that boy. It's either that girl or that boy I'm suspicious of. I'm just gonna stand still so the murderer will pull out its knife. Oh, it's... Oh! Oh, it's him, I think. I don't know where... Oh, I think it's him. Wait.
Definitely her.
Yeah, it's the red girl, I think. Whatever her name is.
Go into there. Go into the locker. That's a great place to be. God, he's such an idiot.
Hey, don't say that.
Sorry. I remember what you said. No hard talk.
What does that even mean?
Swearing.
Hard talk doesn't mean anything. Just please shush.
Can you go buy a crate? Wait, do you have a
Crate? I don't know how much money I have. I only have default stuff. Modes, powers, effects, weapons. Where's a crate? You know
Crates
what?
are
Let's
in
get
there.
a crate shop. Let's just buy a crate. If I can find one. Weapons come here, and then I can buy. Oh,
that one.
I can't buy anything. I don't think.
Try that one.
I can't. I don't think. Open for 600 snow. Anyway. Wait, let's see. Oh, it's not her, I don't think. Yeah, it's her.
She's creepy.
Oh, Dan, you're dead. You're dead, girl. You're dead, girl. Sorry. Murderer, spectating Mr. Legend on YouTube. Well, I'm on YouTube right now.
Yeah, so he's a
Mr. Legend on YouTube. I should get
your YouTube name should be Mr. Legend.
No, I'm not a legend.
Oi.
Oh, I know.
You should name hey guys.
I'm not changing my channel name.
Well, guys, if you want to check out my channel when it's made, make sure to search up Diamond Noob.
Diamond Noob. Or well, next year he'll get a channel, I reckon.
I don't know.
Her coin bag is full. Hey, there's me!
Me?
Oh, you knocked me over! You're a The last person isn't even... No, I love that the last person's AFK.
Oi.
Yeah, the last person's AFK.
Don't.
Away from keyboard!
Oh. I thought that was a bad word.
No, AFK is away from keyboard.
I don't know. Sorry, guys.
Can you just stop, please?
Okay, I'll just watch.
Hi, Alexia. Or whatever your name is. Yeet cookies. Yeet cookies with
Diamond Noob.
milk. Yeet cookies with milk.
Yeet.
I can cook it.
Cookies.
Roblox, please be murderer. I want to be murderer. Innocent.
Innocent set up.
Keep a check. She was a bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Christ at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Digging out of my place, do me all trip. Someone took a big L, I don't know how that felt. Looking at your sideways, body on tilt. Ooh, so dangerous, troubles, ooh. She wanna ride me like a cruise, and I'm not trying to lose. It's a red girl, and you're left in the dust. Unless I stop by ya.
Never trust a redhead. Never trust a redhead in Roblox.
It's not.